Hello guys and welcome to Moto World India. So today we are riding the new KTM Duke 250 BS6 variant. It is looking very beautiful with this new color scheme, that is matte grey and black. So talking about the front, here we get a LED indicator. That is a very nice touch. So at the side of the headlamp we get this nice graphic design, KTM written on that as well. So talking about the headlight, here we get DRLs. That is again a nice touch. But we does not get LED. We get a halogen setup for headlight. That is a big disappointment at this price range. We are hoping soon that KTM gives this bike a LED headlamp. That will be very nice. Here we get upside down WPS suspension system. That again offer a good ride quality. So talking about the front tire, we get 17-inch alloys and tire size happens to be 110/70 R17s. So at front we get a massive brake disc of 320 mm and a ABS given over there. The tire is wide enough at front. It gives nice grip on road. Here we get a sporty looking small mudguard that gives bike a sporty look. The design of tank looks very beautiful, very sporty. So 250 written over there and Duke written over here. So the place to fill coolant is given over here, as you can see. KTM written on that as well. So as you can see, it gets a orange colored chassis, a typical talking about the engine, it is 248cc liquid cool single cylinder engine. It produces 30 PS of power at 9000 rpm and 24 Newton meters of torque at 7500 rpm. It is a very torquey engine. Here we get a brake pedal. So it gets a dual channel ABS. We get footrest for pillion. It gets a detachable exhaust as Duke 390. So coming to the rear, we get this massive grab rails, KTM written over there as well, in the orange finishing. So here we get a LED tail light, as you can see. It is very beautiful. Here we get LED side indicators. Here we get number plate, KTM Racing written over there. But the best part is, here we get a white light on number plate. That is again a nice. Here we have massive monoshock, which offers a good ride quality. Here we get a mud flap, as you can see. The disc is of 230 mm, ABS given over there. It gets 17-inch alloys as well. The tire size happens to be 150/60 R17. As you can see, the tire is wide enough, which offers a good grip on corners. So here we get a small guard, as you can see there. Here is the footrest. The design of the swing arm is very nice, as you can see there. Here we get a gear pedal with 6-speed gearbox. But here we does not get a quick shifter, which is there on Duke 390. Here we get a small grille as such. Here we get a small side guard and radiator place over here, as you can see. KTM written on that as. Here we have orange strip on alloy, KTM written on that as well. So too much of a KTM branding, but this gives a sporty look to the alloy. So here we get a split seat. There is a good cushioning on offer for the pillion, and for rider the seat is very comfortable. The Duke written on that as well, and KTM also written on that. It gets 13 liters of fuel tank, which is very small, but we get these side wings which give tank a muscular look. Feels very sporty and muscular while riding. So here we have key of the bike, KTM written on that as well. Handlebar is very comfortable, offer good ride quality. So here we get engine kill switch. Here we have electric start. The mirrors are very small on the bike. So coming on the left side, here we get upper and dipper switch. Here we have pass light, side indicators, and a horn. Horn is loud enough. Here we get white backlights. It offers around 30 km per liter of mileage. So ignition is placed on tank, as you can see. Let's turn on the ignition. Instrument cluster is very functional, very nice. So here it comes ready to race, as you can see. It gives a side stand indicator. So here we get tachometer. Here is a speedometer. Here we get a gear position indicator. Here we get engine temperature and a fuel meter. Time written over here. So here we get two buttons, mode and set. Let's browse through this screen. So here we get actual FC, kilometer per liter, time trip 1, trip 2, road, and ABS written over there. So here we get side indicators. Here we have ignition light. Here we have gear shift light. This is neutral, and this is light for upper. Side we have ABS, and this is a, I guess, service light. So let's hear the exhaust note. So as you can hear, it has sporty sound, loud and sporty sound. Okay, so let's get riding. And on important note, please wear your helmet and riding gears, and please ride safe. So putting it into first gear. And gear shifting is also very smooth. We get a slipper clutch. So taking the U-turn here. The handling of this bike is mind-blowing. It offers good comfort and feels very confident on corner. And the engine gives proper response, as you can see. It is a rocket. I kid you not, it is a rocket. The position of rider is very comfortable, and the handle and engine gives nice and sporty sound. The brakes offer good stopping power. It is the best naked sports bike in 250 segment. You should definitely go for it. The performance on offer is very brilliant. Hope you like our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below what you think about the new Duke 250 BS6. See you guys in next video. Ride safe. Bye bye. Take care.